Hi everyone, my name is HAFIZAH binti AZAMAN and today I'll be presenting about tri-lens set. First of all, what is a tri-lens set? Tri-lens set is an ophthalmology measuring instrument used in eye hospital or by optician to determine refractive conditions, strabismus, myopia and other visual function of the human eye. These are the components inside the tri-lens set, which are spherical, cylindrical and prism lenses, trial frame and few accessories. Before going further into the components, let's go through the groups of tri-lenses first. There are two groups of tri-lenses which are full aperture and also reduced aperture. For the full aperture lenses, the diameter is 38mm and in biconvex or biconcave form, while the reduced lenses one is 20mm diameter and in the form of planiconvex or planiconcave. Most practitioners prefer using the full aperture lenses. Then let's talk about spherical lens. Spherical lenses have the same dielectric power on all axes. After passing the lens, the light will eventually focus on one spot. This lens comprises concave and convex lenses and is used to correct myopia, hyperopia and presbyopia. After passing the convex lens, the light ray will converge and will diverge when passing through concave lens. Next is a cylindrical lens. Cylindrical lens include a curved surface and the dielectric power is not the same on all axes. This lens also consists of concave and convex cylindrical lenses that are used to correct astigmatism. A cylindrical lens is designed to have different refractive power in one axis compared to the other, which allow it to focus light in only one plane. This means that when the light passes through a cylindrical lens, it is focused differently in the vertical and horizontal planes. In the case of astigmatism, a cylindrical lens is placed in the optical system to correct for the difference in refractive power in the two planes. By aligning the axis of the cylindrical lens with the direction of astigmatism, the lens can compensate for the difference in focal points in the two planes and bring them into alignment, resulting in a clearer and sharper image. In short, a cylindrical lens corrects astigmatism by focusing light in one plane, compensating for the difference in refractive power in the two planes and bringing them into alignment. Next is a prism lens. Prism is a refractive medium that consists of two plane surfaces that are inclined at an. A prism is a lens which deflects light and can correct ophthalmic misalignment. An ophthalmic prism has an apex and a base. Light ray reflected through a prism always bend toward the base. The power of prism is designated as prism diopter, which is measure of a strabismic deviation. After that is trial frame. Trial frame is a multi-cell frame that able to hold corrective lenses and other accessories. There are three types of frame which are full aperture, reduced aperture and also half-eye trial frame. Lastly, we are going through the accessories in the tri-lens set, which are medoc screen, pinhole, stenopix slit, occluder, panel lens, Jackson cross cylinder and green and red filter. The first one is the medoc screen. This item is used to diagnose and measure foria. It is composed of a number of series of high plano cylindrical lenses and available in the color of red and white. Pinhole is one of the accessories in tri-lens set. Pinhole is an opaque disc with a pinhole in the center that only allows a little amount of light to pass through the cornea. This item is used in determining whether the eye has refractive or pathological fault. The next one is stenopix slit. It has a 1mm wide by 25mm long slit to allow a strip of light to pass through the cornea. Stenopix slit used to determine whether the cylindrical axis is plus or minus or the patient has astigmatism. Moreover, an occluder is also an accessories item. Occluder is a plastic disc that used to occlude one eye in order to relax the accommodation of the eye. The other accessory is plano lens. We all know that a plano lens has a zero power, right? In this case, plano lens is used to appease and identify malingering patient. Next is the Jackson cross cylinder. It is a 90-degree apart combination of plus and minus cylinder. The handle is at 45-degree angle between two axes. It is used to determine the astigmatic corrections power and axis. The last one is green and red filter. The green and red filter is used for color dissociation and to find out suppression of the eye. The red one is for the right eye while the green one is for the left eye. That is all from me. Thank you for listening.